I'm gonna Subway Surfers for the first time. And if I fail, I will drink hot tea. This is the first time I'm gonna play, okay? Well, this is the second time because I just downloaded it. And I've been practicing. And I learned the basics, but I don't know how. All I know is just you can get power-ups and you can like go left, right, and jump and slide. That's all I know. Well, and if you get caught, you restart. So I was just tasting. Flight to number 69. Okay, I'm lagging. Okay. Remember to double up your items whenever possible. Oh, we're already in the game, but I'm lagging. Hey, I like the music. Hey. I like the music. Yo. Wait, let me turn down the volume. Turn down the volume. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I'm lagging. No! Hell no! Okay, time to drink the hot tea. Okay. Oh my god, it's so hot. Okay. Yo. What the fuck? Okay. Again. Hey. What the fuck? No, what the actual fuck? No. You ain't fast like me. Yeah, I told you ain't fast like me. Jump. Oh shit. Okay, again, time to drink the hot tea. Okay. Yo, right away? Why are you doing that? There's a you get there so fast? Okay, have a drink. That was good as hell, bro. Oh, just advertise, okay. I drank it. Okay. Play. This video ain't gonna stop until I drink the whole thing. Whoa. the fuck? Okay. So. Okay, time to watch. You good. Time to watch YouTube. No, what the fuck?
Alright, before we react to the other shit, I gotta watch the JJK shit, bro. Cause like I tried to wait, cause this is the way I was gonna think about it, right? I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just wait till the new episodes come out. But I realized like that's just not coming out for the next like 5-6
See you
years.
tomorrow, bitches.
And the end of the manga niggas on TikTok keep